Right, here we've got the navy MC. When they come into the shoe room, these are much lighter. We put black antique on them to give them a nice dark, rich look. To care for these, we put black polish on these. And it's just a smither over. And to keep them nice looking nice, just do it every third time of wearing. So they're nice and sparkly when you bring them back out the wardrobe. Mop them back up with a cloth, or you can use a tricker's brush if you've got one. If not, the cloth will do the job. Now, if you've got a natural welt on these, do not use the black polish. Use the neutral polish, because if you get the black on the neutral welt, it will stain it and you will never get rid of it.